Channel, glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 2 low competition, high demand KDP keywords to help you get started in creating your low content books. Before we get started, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, we do daily videos revealing my own income streams and income reveals for medium.com, vocal media, creative fabrica, as well as Amazon KDP. And we also talk about the strategies that I follow. I do talk about my ways of earning the income and helping you also to get started. So subscribe for daily videos, and we will get to the first niche for the day, or the first keyword for the day, and it is ADHD planner for adults 2023, and it has a keyword niche score of 47 and a total results of 330 and also an average price of $1.82. We have a couple of books that are ranked as bestsellers here. Now we do want to avoid the first line here, because although they are ranked as bestsellers, they are sponsored, as you can see here, so there are ads running. We just want to skip these and we want to have a look at the ones that are not sponsored. And as you can see, the majority of these products are Amazon KDP, and they have wonderful BSR scores as well. And also there is a lot of potential to niche down for this keyword. You could do ADHD planner for adults 2023, for you could niche down to for ladies, for men, for students, for college students, based on the career as well, based on the gender. So much different ways you can niche down, but the most important thing is to get the fundamentals correct. You're basically creating a planner for ADHD for adults for 2023. So the fundamentals are, you would need to have it specifically for 2023, so maybe inserting a yearly calendar or any sort of dated format for 2023 would be very purposeful for this niche. Also, in order to add extra value, you might want to add some informational pages on ADHD. Nothing too technical, nothing too medicinal, but you want to at least maybe insert in some information about educational purposes, such as exercises for ADHD, best apps for ADHD, best tools for ADHD, or helping to ease and helping to track and helping to monitor. And also you might want to insert some page or half a page about why it's important to monitor ADHD in terms of having an actual planner, like monitor the symptoms, monitor the tasks that you need to have ready as well, just to serve as a motivation and education at the same time. So here we have a wonderful book that is part of Amazon KDP low content, and it is titled ADHD Planner. It is selling for $7.95, and it has a wonderful BSR score under 500, which is 112,209. So we're gonna go ahead right now and open this book as an example. Now, as a tip here, I usually love to head over to Creative Fabrica and search for that exact same keyword here, the ADHD planner for adults 2023, and also filter out based on the best interiors. And sometimes what I do is, because I do have a subscription at Creative Fabrica, which you can get your first month trial for $1 for an all access subscription, unlimited downloads. In the description link below, you can actually combine different interiors, change them around, upload them to Canva, change around the headers, the fonts, the colors, and then re-upload to Amazon KDP. It has worked very, very well for me. My apologies for that. Then again, the planner is 152 pages. It is a 6 times 9 inches, and also it is ranked currently in 3 categories: in 228 in emotional mental health, 317 in personal time management, and 2,533 in medical psychology. And they have the beautiful A+ content right over here to entice customers to purchase. Let's have a look at the look inside feature and see if it's available. Unfortunately, it is not currently available for this book, but we can be able to distinguish that this is a really good profitable keyword that we would be able to create different kinds of products. And one example that suggests it is a profitable keyword, when you look here, we are using a self-publishing Titans Chrome extension. You look here under the bestseller rank, you find that the average bestseller rank is less than 500,000, and it's actually way below. It is ranking as a bestseller rank of 167,820. So this is amazing right here. Let's head over to our second niche for the day, and our second niche for the day is psoriatic arthritis pain and symptom tracker, and it has a keyword niche score of 39. And I know some of you might not find that to be very strong, but the reason why I am feeling quite optimistic about this niche is that you can easily niche down as well, and you also have the total results of 310, and also the average price is $7.80. There are books that are also selling quite well for this niche as well, and you could also delete this word here, and we will check the keyword analysis for this keyword just for arthritis as well. So arthritis pain and symptom tracker, and the results is 930. Right now we are just simply waiting for the analysis for the self-publishing Titans Chrome extension to reveal the data. And then again, your best place to get interiors can be Creative Fabrica, it can be Etsy.com as well, but just make sure they're available for commercial license on Etsy, because not all products are for commercial license. So the keyword niche for this one is 33. And let's have a look at our third keyword for the day. And our third keyword for the day is a little bit different. It is addiction recovery journal, and you have the analysis here for this particular keyword to be quite good. It has a keyword niche score of 47. Total results are a little bit too high, being 1,631, and an average price is $9.79. But the bestseller rank, the average one, is less than 500,000, which is 329,939, which means that books are selling for this niche right here. Now, I previously discussed this niche as well, and it has a wonderful PSR. It also has great potential to niche down as well, so you can do an addiction recovery journal for men, for women, guided prompts as well, sobriety and addiction recovery journal, coloring book as well. You could have different kinds of addictions and their, the journal that's associated with them. So a lot of potential to niche down for this one. Don't be discouraged by the keyword niche score and by the slightly higher results as well. So I've given you today 3 keywords for you to have a look at, for you to see the potential of niching down as well. If you need any help, just let me know in the comments section below. And I am thinking of opening a Facebook and WhatsApp group for this channel to help anyone in KDP or in medium.com in helping them to make an income and advising them, and we will have the tips and techniques posted there as well. So let me know if you are interested, so then again I know how many people are interested in such a group, and I will be able to open it and invest the time and effort needed to monitor and run it as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to have you on board. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.